My name is Dr. Lori Rubenstein Fazzio, Clinical Professor of Yoga and Health at Loyola Marymount University. And my interest is in studying the effects yoga has on our health and well-being. There are so many health benefits of yoga, and the one I'd like to share with you today is for lung health. This first practice, called Kapalabhati or skull shining, is oftentimes done prior to engaging in other breath practices. It is thought to cleanse the lungs. Now, there are some contraindications for this practice. Please don't do this practice if you have high blood pressure, hiatal hernia, acid reflux, heart disease, if you're pregnant, or if you're generally ill at this time. This practice may induce a sense of lightheadedness or dizziness, so if that's the case, slow it down. To do this practice, we use the abdominal muscles as a forceful exhalation and then relax the abdominals to allow a natural inhalation. The abdominal muscles help us in exhalation. So in doing this practice, we forcefully contract the abdominal muscles back towards the spine to assist in a stronger exhalation, thus cleansing the lungs. It also has a strong abdominal toning benefit, which can actually help with digestion. So let's start. I'm going to teach you by having you place one hand on your belly and the other on top, just to get the hang of it. So take an inhale, and on the exhale, as if you're blowing out candles, we'll start blowing out the mouth, and it looks something like this. Now, the practice is actually done blowing out the nose. We're doing the mouth just to get the hang of it. Let's try it now out the nose. Again, the idea is to have a forceful abdominal contraction on the exhalation and then relax and allow a natural inhalation. So now, either having your hands on the belly or on your knees, and this can be done sitting in a chair, on the floor. Slightly lower your chin, either allowing the eyes to close or find a steady gaze, and let's do 10 rounds slowly. Inhale and then begin. And then relax and allow the breath to return to its natural rhythm. It may take a moment or two for a natural inhale to arise. If that's comfortable, you can try a slightly faster pace. So let's try again for 10 rounds at a slightly faster pace, or continue at a comfortable slow pace for you. Slightly lowering the chin, allowing the eyes to close or find a steady gaze. First inhale, and then begin. And then allow the breath to regulate itself. Observe any sensations. And again, you may notice a slight lightheadedness or dizziness. This is normal when learning the practice, so proceed at a comfortable pace for you. You can work up to 80 rounds and then take a break and allow a natural rhythm. Hope that you enjoy this practice.